Nations don't crumble overnight. They fall, piece by piece, under the quiet weight of division. And what causes division? It starts small. A difference in opinion, beliefs, worldviews. In a world of millions of voices, you'd think there would be endless shades of thought. But somehow, we've been boxed into just a few sides, left or right, red or blue, capitalist or communist, as if human beings come in just two models, as if nuance, complexity, and personal experience no longer matter. A person can love free markets, but care deeply about social justice. Another might call themselves right-wing, but still want universal healthcare. So what happened to the middle, the moderates, the bridge builders? The answer is simple: divide and conquer. Today's politics thrives on division. It's not about truth, it's about emotion. Because fear, and especially anger, keeps you watching, keeps you voting, keeps them in power, so they paint with broad brushes. The left did this. The right is evil. Someone commits violence, and suddenly, everyone who shares a political label is blamed. But what about the silent millions? The ones who go to work, raise families, play video games, say good morning to neighbors they disagree with? They're not enemies, they're just people. People who want the same basic things: safety, security, a chance to succeed, good food, good health, a sense that they matter. We are different, but we are not enemies. And the moment we forget that, we lose, not as left or right, but as a nation, as a society, as human beings. So let's be smarter than those who profit from our division. Let's disagree without hatred. Let's vote, speak, and protest, but let's not destroy each other. Because united, we build, but divided, we crumble. Choose unity, choose peace, choose each other.